In the midst of a tumultuous week, Donald Trump's legal woes seem to be escalating as he faces potential consequences for violating a gag order in his New York civil fraud trial and confronts new challenges in his federal election interference indictment. Special counsel Jack Smith has accused the former president of attempting to send a threatening message to a foreseeable witness, further complicating his legal predicament. This latest development follows reports of Trump's ex-chief of staff, Mark Meadows, being granted immunity, shedding light on the intensity of the legal battles surrounding the former president. Notably, Trump had already faced a gag order in his Washington, D.C. trial, which was temporarily lifted when his legal team appealed the decision. However, throughout this month, he has not only received but also breached several gag orders. The Republican frontrunner is making an effort to transform his legal campaign into a political one as he strives to clear his name and secure a comeback in the upcoming election. Trump continues to assert that he is the target of a politically motivated witch hunt and frequently accuses judges, court personnel, and witnesses of harboring bias against him. Mark Meadows' immunity grant. Recent reports from ABC News unveiled that Mark Meadows had been granted immunity, having previously testified before a grand jury under court order in March. Such immunity grants typically entail witnesses providing limited statements, which the Department of Justice will not later use against them. Smith's office, in their court filing, argued that a gag order was necessary in the federal election interference case due to Trump's demonstrated history of using inflammatory language to target specific individuals. This conduct posed a significant risk of intimidating or unduly influencing witnesses and also threatened attorneys, public servants, and court staff who might themselves become targets for harassment or threats. Donald Trump's reaction. Gag orders are contentious because they restrict First Amendment rights to freedom of speech. Responding to the recent filing, a Trump spokesperson criticized wrongful, unethical leaks throughout the legal proceedings, highlighting their adverse impact on democracy and the justice system. They emphasized the importance of protecting President Trump's First Amendment rights and preventing unconstitutional gag orders. In response to the news, Donald Trump expressed his views on Truth Social, his social media platform. In a heated and error-filled statement, he insinuated that Mark Meadows had no reason to lie about the 2020 presidential election and obtain immunity, casting the prosecution as persecution. He claimed that some individuals would make deals to avoid jail, protect their families and wealth, and even earn a statue in Washington, D.C. if they fabricated damaging information about him, insinuating that such individuals were weak and detrimental to the nation's future.